Another country one, anybody know Chris Stapleton? Kind of a long-haired dude out of Nashville. I saw him play on, of all things, Saturday Night Live one night. I was like, holy crap, this guy's really good. Let's steal some of his stuff. This is one of the numbers he did a few years back, Midnight Train to Memphis. 2, 3, 4. Judge of town, give me 40 days instead of the fine that I could not pay. If you walk right, you'll soon be home. Cross the line and you're on your own. For days, back guns and barbed wire fences. For nights sitting in the sun. Midnight train to Memphis. Whistle blows when the sun comes up. Hit the floor, keep your big mouth shut. Eat your breakfast on the ground. Work like hell till the sun goes down. Shotguns and barbed wire fences. Nights are sitting this song. Midnight train to Memphis. To forget my grudge. When I get to 39, long to stay in a prisoner's mind. For the day, shotguns and barbed wire fences. For the night, sitting in the sun. The midnight train to Memphis. Train to Memphis. Midnight train to Memphis. Midnight train. Oh, midnight train to Memphis. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Tell you what, we got one more we'll do with this group. I'll take a little break, come visit, mingle with folks, and then we'll get set up. We'll get a Myro family band going here for a bit in a little while too. We'll bring up my dad. We'll bring up my Uncle Miles. My brother Brent's here. You know, we got people here from 5 provinces and 2 continents. We got both Londons represented, is what I'm trying to say. My brother's all the way from London, Ontario and my brother-in-law Tim, where is he, Tim? All the way from London, England. If that doesn't make you feel special, I don't know what does. So